How to fix Steam download slow speed. To fix slow Steam downloads, first of all, you must optimize your Steam's in-app network restrictions. First of all, try disabling in-app speed caps and throttling. Launch the Steam application on your PC, then open the settings option. From there, go to the downloads tab. Then you will find the limit download speed option. Make sure to turn this setting off, and you will also find the throttle download while streaming options. You simply have to turn both of these options off and then proceed to clear the stream download cache. In the same download settings tab, scroll down to click the clear download cache option. Now you simply have to click confirm to confirm it. Once you clear the cache, all the unwanted and corrupted files within the downloading settings will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.